Hello Swimmers, in this video I will explain how you can fix the problem of Paytm postpaid server error. Okay friends, in last I will show you live payment for my postpaid account, so please watch till end. So let's begin. To solve this problem, firstly go to Play Store. Now simply search here Paytm like this, search this and update the application if update is available. In my case update is previously done, so I will not update right now. So go back to open the app. Now go to the setting option. Now search here app manager, management app or app. Simply search here app manager. Now simply search here Paytm. Scroll down, you get here Paytm like this. After get the Paytm, click on the Paytm. Now simply click on the manage force stop. Now click on the data uses. Now click on the clear data and clear cache. Click on both this. Now go back and go to the allow uses. Now click all on the allow. Now open the app like this. Enter your login ID and password. Okay friends, now go to the postpaid option. See, the server problem will be solved now. If you like my video, so please, now I will show you the payment like this. Wait for some second. If you like my video, so please click on like, subscribe and click on the bell icon, and please comment your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanity.